iPhone 17 rumors big upgrades or small tweaks. The upcoming iPhone 17 is generating a lot of anticipation, especially with the rumors of a new Air design. This version is expected to be significantly thinner and more streamlined than previous models and could potentially replace the iPhone Plus in the lineup. The emphasis seems to be on creating a lightweight device packed with advanced features, suggesting the iPhone 17 Air could offer a compelling combination of aesthetics and performance. Let's explore the most recent leaks and speculations to see what might be in store. iPhone 17 Air, a slimmer replacement for the Plus? The iPhone 17 lineup could see the introduction of a slimmer Air variant, potentially taking the place of the iPhone Plus. Current rumors suggest this iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.6-inch display. To put that in perspective, it's smaller than both the iPhone 16 Plus and Pro Max, yet larger than the base iPhone 16. The device is speculated to be around 5.5 millimeters in thickness, with a potential price point of approximately $900, aligning with the iPhone 16 Plus. Achieving this thinner profile might necessitate a reduction in rear camera complexity, possibly featuring only a single main lens. However, improvements to the front-facing camera are also being discussed. A key engineering challenge for the iPhone Air will be maintaining adequate battery performance within its reduced physical space, an issue Apple is reportedly prioritizing. The phone is also anticipated to include features like ultra-thin bezels, a dedicated camera control button, and the dynamic island interface, and is expected to be powered by either an A18 or a 19 chip, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and Apple's new C1 5G modem. iPhone 17, smooth scrolling for all with 120Hz displays? It looks like Apple has heard the feedback about the screens on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Rumor has it that all iPhone 17 models will bump up to a 120Hz refresh rate. This would make scrolling and animations much smoother compared to the current 60Hz on the non-Pro iPhones. This change could also pave the way for the always-on display to come to the standard iPhone 17. On top of that, we might see an improved ceramic shield on the display, making it more resistant to scratches and less reflective. A fresh look for iPhone 17 cameras, what the leaks suggest. It sounds like the cameras on the iPhone 17 are in for a big shakeup. We're hearing whispers about a new look for the camera bump. Some leaks show a pill shape, kind of like what the Google Pixel 9 has. Other early design images show a horizontal bar for the regular iPhone 17, and bigger, rectangular ones for the Pro models. Interestingly, the slimmer iPhone 17 Air is expected to have a smaller camera area with just one lens. But that's not all. It's also being said that the front-facing camera on all iPhone 17, even the Air, could be getting a major boost to 24 megapixels. That's double the 12 megapixels on the iPhone 16, which would be great news for anyone who loves taking selfies and sharing stuff online, although more megapixels don't always mean better pictures, of course. iPhone 17 design and connectivity rumors. For the iPhone 17, we're hearing that the standard model, the Pro, and the Pro Max will likely keep their aluminum frames. But the new, thinner iPhone 17 Air could be getting a more high-end titanium frame. On the front, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might have a slightly smaller dynamic island thanks to a potentially smaller Face ID sensor, while the other models are expected to keep the same size. Inside, there's talk that Apple might be moving away from Broadcom for Wi-Fi and using their own chips across the entire iPhone 17 lineup. This could lead to improved wireless performance and better integration within the Apple ecosystem. It's not yet clear if their C1 chip will be part of this new Wi-Fi setup. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to stay updated on future content.